All right, guys, so this projector was sent to me for review. Now, the brand rep did send this one out. I was very excited about it because I've heard a lot of good things about this brand. Now, one of the things that stood out to me about this specific projector is that it is a 1080p panel or a 1080p projector. Now, this one has 2.4 gigahertz and 5 gigahertz, so that's very rare. Usually they only have one or the other. You have screen mirroring, so if you wanted to use this with a smartphone, you have that as well. And of course, it comes with its own projector screen. Yep, it does. So you actually get a screen that comes with this in this box. All right, so let's see what else we got here. If there's anything of any significance that we need to take note of. Nope, it looks like it's about the same on all the different sides. So let's just go ahead and pop this open and see exactly what we get in the box. All right, so first impressions, the packaging is really nice. So what I'm gonna try to do here is I'm gonna take everything out of the box and we're just gonna lay it here on the desk. So this is the screen. I can tell already this is our screen. Let's pull this over to the side. We have a remote, a starter manual, and let's see what else we got in here. We got some other stuff. I don't know what these little Q-tips are for, so this might be for cleaning something. And we have our projector. So this is pretty much everything that comes in the box. So let me spread this out a little bit better for you guys to be able to see this. So this is everything that we get in our box, including our starter manual. Okay, so let's take a look at a few of these items. Like I said, it does come with its own remote. I don't know if the remote has batteries, so you may have to provide your own batteries. And these are very simple. These usually just pop open like so. And as you can see, this takes two AAA batteries. Not a problem there. I should have quite a few of those laying around here to be able to set these up. So let me pop that closed. Really nice feeling remote. It does feel a little bit on the plasticky side. But for the amount of time you're probably going to actually use this, that's probably not going to matter too much. So we have our remote. We have our different cables. Now this is a full-size HDMI to full-size HDMI. And then we have that RCA cable here with the audio 3.5 audio plug as well. So we get that. And of course we get these little Q-tips, and I'm still not sure what these are for, but we do get a cleaning pad with this as well. So that's probably for the lens. I would almost assume this is going to be for our lens. And like I said, we get our starter manual. And this is most likely going to be in multiple languages. I'm not sure yet. So let's take a look. It looks like, no, it looks like this is all in English. And it has a local 800 number, so if you did need to call them for some type of technical support, you'll be able to. Now, one of the things that just stood out to me right here is that it says that this projector can project up to 300 inches. Now, of course, that's going to be determined by how far away it is from the projector. So 300 inches, you need to be roughly about 29 feet away from the lens. For your 32 inches, about 3 feet, and let's say your 145 inches is going to be about 14 feet. So somewhere within that range is going to be ideal. Now, like I said, it does come with this 100-inch screen. We're going to take a look at that as well, but that's what we get from our manual. There's our remote. So let's go ahead and take a look at the actual projector. All right, guys, one of the things I do admire is that it comes with this lens cover. Now, a lot of these will not come with a lens cover, and I do appreciate that. It's a nice rubber lens cover. Now, this little dial here is going to be for focus, and you also have your keystoning control right here, and that's going to adjust the level of your image. Really nice there. You have down here this little wheel that you can adjust pretty much to kind of raise and lower your projector. Now, it also has 4 of these little independent little feet. So if you're going to set this on a desk, that's going to be ideal as well. It is plastic. Now you have your also onboard controls, your power button, your your trackpad here. and some of your other features like going into your menu and your different settings right here on the top. And on this side, we have our VGA, we have our USB-A, HDMI, we have an SD card reader that's going to be a mini SD card. You have your AV here and your headphones. So if you wanted to use it with headphones, you can. And on the opposite side, we have our power input. That's where that original cable, that other cable came from. Really nice design, guys. This thing does not feel cheap. I can feel the weight of it in my hands. Our remote control sensor is right here on the back. So you do have to be behind this in order to control it. So that's something that you need to keep in mind. You won't be able to stand in front of this and control it. But this does have your mirroring feature, so you can connect this directly to your phone, iPhone or Android, and be able to control this projector. So let's also take a look at this screen that comes with it. Alrighty. And yes, it's a very sheer white material. So this is what you're going to use to put up on your wall. And these ringlets go all the way, let's see here, to the opposite side. So I'm just kind of showing you guys how this is set up. So you have these little ringlets on either corner. So it's going to be really easy to set this up. Or if you wanted to use this maybe with some type of stand. Ideally, I think this is going to be perfect for mounting on a wall, indoor, outdoor. Now, this does feel like a rayon material. So it's going to be kind of water resistant. So I think if it got wet, it wouldn't be that bad. It would easily dry, if you were leaving this outside for some reason. But it's really nice that the projector comes with its own screen. So that's pretty much everything that comes in the box. We get our screen, we get the projector, we get all the other accessories, including the remote. So yeah, this is ideal. Now, here's something else that I want to show you guys real quick here. You do have some mounting options. And these mounting little stickers are for the screen. And what that's going to allow you to do is to easily attach this to your wall, to the ceiling, or wherever you want to put the screen up at. So it does come with the little the stickies and also the little hooks as well. But from my first impressions, I am very, very impressed with this.